The Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
Good afternoon. It's been a tough start to the afternoon here in the valley. We've already seen some severe thunderstorm warnings. We still have some in effect here for our viewing area and just to the west of us as well, up in that Devil's Lake Basin and north from there. The rest of us seeing some sunshine. We're heating things up, which is going to help to contribute to the potential for more storms later on as we continue through the afternoon and evening. So zooming in, the storm that's affecting us right now in the valley here is in eastern parts of Towner County and over into Cavalier County as well, in this yellow box area. That's where we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 1 o'clock this afternoon. It includes the Langdon area within this warned area. The Munich area has been hit a couple of times here already, and that's heading your way right now. There's also another warning just outside of Towner County impacting places south of Rolla, and that is moving to the northeast too, so we're going to keep our eye on that. But it's this particular storm here that triggered the new warning. It's right over the core of it, right over the Munich area as we speak. Wales getting hit by that first round. It does look like with the latest scan that it's weakened just a little bit, even from the top of the show here this morning, or this afternoon. So we're looking at maybe this starting to just show some heavy rain and some lightning, but there is still a little bit of hail detected within this storm as of last check, and that's very small compared to what we were looking at before, about a quarter to a third of an inch in diameter here for hail within that particular storm. So that's good, and we still have to keep an eye on it, see if it returns to its greater intensity that it had not too long ago. And right now, not looking too bad on our storm relative velocity. Looks like we've got some gusts going on with that storm at the moment too. So this is kind of that first round that's hitting us in the northwest as these storms overall, they're moving eastward, but overall the movement is to the north and east. So they'll continue working in that direction, though there is some building going on within the backside of this storm. And if that holds together, we're looking at that sweeping through some of our viewer communities in the Foster and Eddy County areas too, in addition to that Devil's Lake Basin region. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. We're in the 70s to some 80s. We're at 81 in Fargo, really heating things up, and 81 in Grand Forks as well. And you can see where we've had the rain. Devil's Lake is only at 69 degrees at the moment. The winds have been picking up. We saw that on the flags there on the Dakota Magic Casino Skycam, and you could see they're really gusting in Fargo to 36, down in Sisseton also 36 miles per hour. So some strong winds feeding into this system. We're looking at the potential for some temperatures really starting to rise, and in addition to that, it's bringing in a lot of moisture as well. So let's take a look at our hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see those storms again impacting us in the Devil's Lake area first. Those are going to continue moving eastward as we head through the afternoon. This is the 3 o'clock hour. Right now, our forecast model indicating that Northern Valley focus will be happening at that point in time. And then those of us in the south and east still seeing that heat and wind building into this. But it does grow southward, and we see that continue into the evening hours tonight and eventually heading east from there, looking like a pretty strong event where we're looking at some straight line winds eventually. This is 8 o'clock, and you can see it's already starting to work its way out of the valley at that point in time. So that's good. We're getting that cleared out of here in time for the nighttime hours, though, as you see, we're looking at the potential for some more rain and thunder still hanging around. So our severe storm risk is looking a little bit greater now this afternoon. We're now in an enhanced risk in this orange area, Grand Forks included in that, and many of our communities into Minnesota too, some of the same ones that have been hardest hit. So that's where we're looking at the enhanced risk updated there. I also want to talk about that tornado threat. We do have a chance for a few tornadoes, and I want to focus in on this brown area here in Minnesota. That's where it's going to be greatest. So we want to watch out for tornadoes throughout the valley, but especially in those areas. Want to make sure we're keeping an eye on things. Rainfall potential more than an inch in a lot of areas. Finally, tomorrow and Tuesday and into Wednesday, we quiet things down before chances for storms return.
A lot to go over. Thank you.